Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to use GGives in PureGold. So let's start. First, download and open the GCash application. Then, log in to your account. Once you are in, tap on this QR code option located in the middle of the screen. Next, generate a QR code by tapping on this plus icon. Here, select this Pay using QR code option. This will provide you with a QR code that a cashier in PureGold can scan. Here, make sure that you are paying with GGives. So tap on Change, and here, select GGives. After that, a QR code will be generated. Just present the code to the cashier when you will be paying in PureGold. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.